Hi everyone. So this is my second video and here again I'm going to talk about the psychological point of view of why does this happen. The topic what I've chosen is based on a show which I saw, which was this Ranveer podcast show where a person, Anuradha Goel, talks about her experience when she walked into a temple and she cried. She doesn't know why she cried. Now, this is a very natural emotional release. Many do not understand why do they cry. Now there are many layers of experience about it. First, this is sense of surrender. Now the atmosphere in the temple is stillness, devotion, ritual, chants, smell of incense sticks and sounds of bell and also presence of lot of devotees. Now all these things around intensifies our emotion. And so when you see the deity, you feel overwhelmed and tears come as a release there. Secondly, it could also be because of overwhelming devotion. Now, our emotion towards our beloveds or our child or our parents are very intense and very real. In the same way, our emotion, our love towards the God is also so real. So when we look at that, when we look at the idol, we cry out of love. Third, it's also relief and healing. So people carry a lot of worries, intense grief, guilt, unmet needs, and into their minds while walking into the temple. Our mind just seeks a safe place to let go of all these suppressed emotion, and temple acts as a ground to let go of all these pent up emotions and act like a healing and cleansing process for our mind. Now, psychologists call this as an awe response. When we experience something which is larger than ourselves, so the divine God who's larger than us, so our nervous system reacts with goosebumps all over, tears and lumps in our throat. It's a body ways of saying this is beyond us. And you just want to sit there and look at the idol, and that makes you feel lighter. This is also a somatic expression of deep emotion. Your body speaking what words cannot. So let this happen. Do not stop yourself, and you will see your healing there.